Good morning, early bird. Grandma is ready to hit the road and going casual. Let me show you full composition. Just a minute. You imagine music. Okay, this is my magic hat. Let me show you my magic new redesign glasses. How you like me now? And this is my new redesign bag. Look how it's cute. Huh? This is actually from this big bag. Boog. Oh man. And I will have of the top because where I'm going in office, there it's pretty cold. It's medical office, Northridge at UVA, my favorite place, Charlottesville. How you like this? Come with children. Please let me know. Just a minute, do you see full composition? I want to leave you, short here. You need to see full composition. So grandma doing things. Look at me now. Huh? Well equipped, children. Storm coming, rain. You need to be well equipped. See? See how it's cute. And I redesigned my shoes to match with my dress. Yeah, and my ballet toe, it's still swelling. Fighting this muscle activation. Activated from my gut. Now you know everything. Look at how it's cute, Grandma. Ciao tutti. And Buonanotte. Bye. Woohoo!